Welcome, dear viewer, to a story from the heart of Nigeria. In a vibrant village nestled by the Niger River, we uncover the journey of Adana, a young woman destined for greatness. Her beauty and wisdom shine like the sun, but her path is filled with trials. Join us as we explore her rise, surrounded by those who both challenge and cherish her. This tale of unity, strength, and love will captivate you. Let's begin in her village, where whispers of her destiny first stirred. Adana lived in Umuahia, a village alive with culture. Palm trees swayed as women pounded yam, their laughter mixing with the rhythm of drums. Adana, in her golden wrapper, sat gracefully, her head wrap framing her regal face. Men gathered around, drawn to her presence, their eyes filled with admiration. She listened to their stories, her mind sharp, her heart kind. But beneath the harmony, envy brewed. Some whispered she was too proud, too favored. Adana felt the weight of their gaze, knowing her journey would test her spirit. One evening, the village seer, Baba Okoro, summoned Adana. His heart smelled of herbs as he spoke. "Child, the gods have chosen you. You'll unite our people, but first you'll face betrayal."
Adana's heart raced. She saw the men around her in a new light, some loyal, others scheming. Baba handed her a carved staff, saying, "This will guide you."
That night, under the moonlight, Adana vowed to fulfill her destiny. She knew the path wouldn't be easy, but her resolve was firm, her spirit unbroken. The next day, a drought struck Umuahia. Crops withered and the river shrank. The villagers turned to Adana, their hope. She gathered the men, once her admirers,
Now her counsel. "We must dig a new well," she declared. Some scoffed, doubting her plan, but Adana led with courage, her staff in hand. They toiled under the scorching sun.
her golden wrapper stained with sweat. Slowly, water emerged, and the village cheered. Adana's leadership shone, but whispers of dissent lingered among a few, their jealousy growing. Chaik, a once loyal admirer, grew bitter. He envied Adana's rise, believing he deserved the glory. Late at night, he met with others, plotting to sabotage her. "She's just a woman," he sneered. They planned to poison the new well, blaming Adana for the village's ruin. Meanwhile, Adana sensed the shift. She noticed Chick's cold stares, his absence from gatherings. Her instincts, sharpened by Baba's prophecy, told her danger loomed. She confided in her closest ally, Kofi, who vowed to protect her. The storm was coming.
Shika antes group kruip toe terwyl in der darkness, a veel of poison in hand. Ty powder dit in, smirking a tyre deed. By morning, verlagers vel il, tyre thries echoing trouge Umuahia. Fingers pointed at Adana. Sy leites toe tis, die hy soutet. Adana, hartbroken, stoot firm. Sy tastet te water, haar fase grim. Dis is no afsident, sy syd, haar voetjie steadai. Witte kofies help, sy trak het te voetprints toe Shika sit. Te trit was neer, bitte verlage trist hing by Atriat. Adana kal het a verlage meting, haar staf reise dig. Shika step voorwaard, sy kommendit. De kroft gaspet as hy emergit, his geld evident. Hy poisonet ourwel, sy afsy sit. Shika die niet het, bid koffie presente te veel, found in is het. Te verlagers roar het in anger. Adana se lense tem. We don tsast hem uit. We jel hem witte voorgeveenis. Haar woord stin het efraione. Sy order het Shika toe help purify te wel, in der haar watch. Slovlei, te verlage saver wisdom, tyre feite in haar restoret. Toe haal te rift, Adana plan het a festival. Umuahia beet witte preparations, drums, danses, antfeasts. Adana, in haar golden dress, let te celebration, haar jadwrap a groven of prede. Te men woe onze doubt het haar of dans het in haar honor. Shika, humblet, join het in, his hart shanget. Te verlage initet, tyre lachter ichong into te nicht. Adana's vision of initeit ook rood, haar leadership in de njable. Bitse kneef moore challing is afweitet. Te propekai was een complete, anter jou nie was var from ofer. Aan nygeboring verlage, envious of Umuahia's recuverij, sent spies. Ty Savadanas influence antvaar het haar power. Tyr leader ete, plotte toe in der mine haar. His spread remors dat Adana ise dark magik toe control haar pople. Tellis riachet Umuahia, sowing doubt. Some verlagers, stil waar hy from te poisoning, belief het te taal is. Adana vel te sift, haar hart hafai. Sy kal het on Baba Okoro voor gy danse. Trit wil profile, his side, bid ou mist fase ete. Adana prepare to confront te neef triatiat on. Adana, wat de koffie anta fev loyal men, traf hulle toe etes verlage. Te Journey was perilaus, tic forests, wild animals, Antrias rouspates. Adanas golden dress simmeret as sy let, haar staf stiadanger. Edes warriors met thema te gates, tyr spears gliaming. Ek kome in piase, Adana deklaret, haar foische inwafering. Ete emerget, his ei stolt. Io vir bewitchet eier piople, hy afsieset. Adana stoot tal, haar presense commanding respect. Sy kneef words alone walden swaiem. Agriatera waite daar. Ete challing het Adana toe atrial. Grossa river of krokodilles toe proeven haar piritei. Te kroft watchet, tense. Adana inafrijd, step het voorwaard, haar staf gloving feindlei. Sy whisper het apraaier toe te gods, haar feite haar shield. Te krokodilles part het as sy cross het in haar met. Jenes jaf drop het, his piople in awe. Te gods val voor haar, te hy mermeer het. Adana ternet toe ete. Leeds en tis en met hy. Nie te wit is. Haar taurage aan grase wontem ofer. Bid ete spriede walden pen so easelei. Ene humiliaat het, refes het Adanas offer. Il nie verbof toe hy hou hespat. Bid is piople, inspireet by Adanas braverij, presieret hem. Ty saver as a tree leader, a in die vier. Adana spooke toe tem, haar voetje warm. Toegeter vertriefe. Die wiedet verval. Haar woords resonaat het, ant etes grip wiaken het. Haar agreet toe a triege, bid Adana knewe sy hartwassend vallei woon. Sy retter net toe Imuaya, haar mission half complete. Te bond between verlages was fragiele, bid hope flikker het. Adana striam of inite greef stronger. Bachken Imuaya, Adana organieet atrade past wat de etes verlage. Goots vloewet, eiams, vissa, aankrafts, benefiting bote sides. Sy infiet het etes piople toe Imuaya's market, weer lachter aan misses vir te eier. Adana, in haar golden wrapper, minglet witte tem, haar warmtebreaking barriers. Te men woe onze surrounded haar nog stoot as haar protestors, tyr loyal ty vierse. Jede attended, his te meanor softer. Adana's patiense aan kinnes slooflei melted is resistance. Te verlages greef kloser, tyr tristepening, bid afinal alo met onte horigon. A massieve storm met bote verlages, destroying homes aan grops. Vloed swep trouge, liafing devastation. Adana rallied Imuaya, haar staf op akon of hope. Sy sent uit toe etes verlage, haar men karang siplis trouge terrein. Ene, seeing herself lesnes, finalai softenet. Toegeter, tyre beeld, tyr poople working as one. Adana's golden dress was middiet, bid haar spirit sone brichter. Te storm, mian toe break dem, voorget aan inbrekable bond. Adana's prophetie jaar het fulfillment, haar leadership initing toe verlages against all odds. As te verlages rebeild, aan neef daven emerget. Imuaya ant etes verlages stoot as one, tyr marketstreffing, tyr children plying toegeter. Adana, nova refer het leader, walk het among tem, haar jadwrap as symbol of strengte. Te men woe onze en fiet haar of kal het haar pien of initij. Chique, vallei reformet, betsame haar advisor. Ene, nova vriend, honoreet haar witte sarvet trone. Adana's hart swel het witte prede. Sy kneefde gods had geidet haar, bid haar work was in done. A final lesson afweitet. Adana deklaret a festival of initij, infiting bote verlages. Te haar beet witte joei, drums, danses, ansaret meals. Adana, in haar golden dress, stoot on haar trone, haar staf reiset. Eke aan chique stoot besiede haar, symbols of haar trempe. Te piople cheeret, tyr voices one. Adana spoke, we are stronger toegeter. Haar words effoed, sialing tyr bond. Te festival market aan neef era, bid Adana kneef haar jou nie held one last perpose. Toe liafe a lasting lega sy voor haar piople. Adana, veling haar role complete, kal het agatering. Sy held haar staf, its geloof brichter taan iver. Te staf geidet me, sy syd, bid nog het stieme voor anotter. Sy shoose neka, a eiang girl wit a kind hart aan sarpmint, toe leat. Adana plaag het te staf in nekas hands, haar ie is warm. Inite alwijs, sy whisper het. Te verlages cheer het, accepting neka as tyr nevleader. Adana step het bak, haar lega sy sekiere, haar hart at piase. Sy kneef haar stoor hy wald liefe on. Adana, no vree of haar duties, walke toe terrie verbang. Haar golden dress simmer het in te sinsit as sy reflected on haar journey. Te men woe onze surrounded haar nog stoot as haar broters, tyr bond eternal. Sy smilet, knovings het fulfillet te propesei. Te verlages trifet, initet in loofe aanstrengte. Adana whisper het a prayer of thanks toe te gods, haar jadwrap catching te breedte. Sy val tyr presense, tyr approval. Haar work was done, bitter story wald inspire generations toe kome. Eiers later, Emiaia ant etes verlage flaureset as one. Neka leed witte wisdom, te staf glowing in haar hands. Adana's name betame legend, haar golden dress as symbol of unity. Statius of haar adornette verlages, haar story told around virus. Te men woe onze doubted haar noftalgetuie children haar lessons. Te propekei had kome vol sirtle, proefing dat lofe aan voorgevene stalt heel aan hy divide. Adana's lega sy liefheid on, a testamentu te power of unita aan taurage in te fase of adversitei. Adana's tale tiasjes is, unita aan voorgevene staan overtjome aan hy challinge. Like haar, lets riese above en vy aan division, building stronger communities. Haar journey remens is toe lead witte lofe, even in hartsip. Lofe te story. Substribe toe our uit die channel voor moore Nigerian tale stad inspire. Het te bel ikon toe nie vermis aan update. Sara our taugits in te comments, hoeveel our unite our community. Let's keep Adana's legacy alive toegeter.